Today we are building the biggest castle ever. If y'all think y'all can make something like this or even better, don't forget to use our discount code in the description for 50% off of this 82-piece magnetic tile set.
Are y'all ready? I'm gonna knock it down.
Knock it down.
Fun with Alicia.
Welcome back to Fun with Alicia.
Today we are building the biggest castle ever. We're gonna try to at least.
Yeah.
So we're playing with these really fun magnetic building tiles. They were sent to us by Soyee.
Yeah. I also have to do the
Stairs, windows,
They're whole cute.
doors.
Yeah, and the little people are whole cute. And the character are whole cute too.
We're gonna build a castle for these little people here.
Yeah.
We're gonna leave all the information from Soyee company in our description. If you guys want this, you can use our code to get 50% off.
Yeah.
Let's put the windows in first, right? And the doors.
Yeah.
So let's try to put some doors in here. This is good, right?
Yeah. I have no windows. How cute!
What do y'all think about our castle so far? Alicia, what do you think?
Yeah. Okay. And the heart.
It's kind of like a horror, right?
Yeah.
Wow! Isn't that so pretty?
Yeah.
I think our castle is about ready.
I'm supposed to go up here.
That's good idea.
Yeah. This is the big pieces. I'll put one on here and then put one on here.
Ta-da! What do y'all see?
And we can also, there can go to those and there was a thing right there. The point is there.
If y'all think y'all can make something like this or even better, don't forget to use our discount code in the description for 50% off of this 82-piece magnetic tile set.
Are you there?
I'm so excited! Grab my hand! Come on! Let's go up the stairs.
Wow.
Alisa, look at this. What should we make from here? There is so many things you can make, or you can just use your imagination and make whatever you want. So we are going to try this one.
Are you ready? I'm gonna knock it down.
Knock it down. Oh, let's do another layer. Let's do more. And do another layer. What do you think, Alicia?
Beautiful.
Are you gonna knock it down?
Yeah.
Should we do the bow?
Wait, I need an L right here.
Oh yeah!
I have an L in my name.
Can you spell your name?
A-L-I-C-I-A.
Alicia! Like, fun with Alicia!
Yeah, look.
You want to do the boat? We are going to do the boat next.
Yes.
I think our boat is ready.
Let's go. Let's put them in. You take a boy and I take a girl. Yay!
I love our new boat.
Yeah, me too. Let's go on. I'm gonna knock it down.
Yeah. I really like these fun magnetic tiles. There's so much you can make with these.
And that was real fun. We tried it to make a bed, castle, and we then make cat.
Yes, we do.
Yes. I like the magnetic. Thank you so much for having these.
Thank you, Soyee, for sending us these magnetic tiles. Don't forget to use your discount code in the description to get 50% off. And y'all can make huge castles and all kinds of stuff just like us. We hope y'all enjoyed our video.
Please like and subscribe and have a little video. Bye!
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and have fun with Alicia.